In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account more private and secure. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. After that, tap right here at that gear to open up settings and privacy, and that's where we can easily find the privacy checkup just under that tools and resources. We need to get into it, and that's where we can configure our privacy settings. On Facebook and like for example Instagram, we can't make our account private by clicking at one single toggle. However, in here we can customize the level of privacy in more detail by choosing what information we want to hide. As you can see here, we got 5 different sections: who can see what you share, how to keep your account secure, how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings on Facebook, and your ad preferences. Let's start with who can see what you share. That's where we can select which our personal data like phone number or email or birthday and year we would like to share with others. To change these settings, we need just to tap right here and then switch it to public, friends, or only me. Also, in here we can control who can see your friends list on your profile and who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. In the same way, we can set privacy settings for that options. Then we can hit at next, and that's where you can configure who can see your posts and stories. In the same way, on the next step, we are able to add some users to block list. When you block someone, they will no longer see things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. To add a user to block list, just tap right here, then search for someone's username until you find a user you would like to block, and then just tap at block button next to username and then confirm blocking. If we would like to see all the users we have blocked, we can tap right here and it will show us that users. From here we can easily unblock them by tapping at unblock. And then once we are done with that, we can hit at next to move on to the next step. Right here we can configure how to keep your account secure. It allows us to turn on alerts. When you turn it on, you will get an alert if someone logs into your account from a place Facebook don't recognize, and also you will get an information which device was used and where it's located. We can toggle on Facebook and email alerts. On the next step, we can change our Facebook password or we can skip it. And then we are able to turn on two-factor authentication. Just hit at get started if you would like to turn it on, and then go through all the steps. I'm just gonna hit at skip. On the next step, we can configure how people can find you on Facebook. That will show you your current friend requests, and from here you can confirm or decline them, and also we can set who can send you friend requests. We can tap right here and switch it to friends of friends or everyone. On the next step, we can choose who can look us up by our phone number and email address. In the same way, we can change it to everyone, friends of friends, friends, and only me. And there we can configure if we would like to appear in search engines such as Google. If you would like to hide your profile from Google, you just need to turn this toggle off, like in my case. Then we can go to your data settings on Facebook, and that's where we can control apps and websites from other companies you have used Facebook to log into and you have recently used. You can remove any that you no longer want to use. To do that, just tap at Remove next to it. On that step, we can control the location settings. We can set it to always, while using, or never. However, to configure this option, we need to go to our device settings by tapping right here. Then we need to tap at location, and that's where we can change this option. If we would like to hide our location, we need to tap at never. And there is one last section that is named Your Ad Preferences on Facebook. We can also configure it, because some advertisers try to reach certain people by using information they've provided on their profiles. And in here we can decide if we want advertisers to reach us based on this profile information, like relationship status, employer, job title, and education. We can turn on or off any of these options. And on the next step, if we scroll down a bit, we can find one more option that we can configure. It says who can see your social interactions alongside ads. We can tap right here and switch it to only me. So guys, that's basically how you can easily make your account more private and secure. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.